Okay, well, I was worried about the turtle doves as a pair because I was only seeing one of them. That's definitely two turtle doves, but one is a whole lot smaller than I remember. I'm wondering if that's a hatchling or something. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. So weird. No, it's two birds. The smaller one is awfully still, though. Well, I know that however the tail went, I don't think it's a sad tail, because there's definitely two of them there. I don't know how much size difference they have. I never noticed before. I thought they were about the same size. Anyway, that's it.